So guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Cool Cat. Buddha-man! Yeah, today we're waiting fidgets. Let me get the first one. I picked this one. So there's very a lot of balls. Yeah, there's a lot of balls inside it.
Especially Spider-Man.
What?
I didn't say it.
And you can bounce on the walls. Very cool.
Next fidget.
Oh, we haven't waited this one. And you can bounce on the walls.
I think it's a 9 out
And it's very squidgy. But I give it a 9.5 because I remember when it wasn't popped and that was very fun. So
okay.
I give it a 9.5.
9.
Now this one.
Doesn't seem as very much. It seems a bit boring.
You can pop all the bubbles and it's really cool. And also look at this.
It seems pretty
No,
boring.
be quiet. ASMR.
I hear it. It doesn't matter.
Yes, very nice. I'm not sure what to give it though.
7.
I give it a 7.9.
Next fidget. This.
Oh, this looks like beautiful.
It is beautiful. Like Spider-Man. I am Spider-Man. That is why.
I think you have problems.
No, I just have Spider-Man pattern.
Guys, I'm creating a cool pattern. Okay, you entertain them and I'm creating this pattern.
Spider-Man. I am Spider-Man. And I am a butthole.
Okay, guys, I'm done the pattern.
And I am
What did he say, by the way, guys? Comment, because I have no idea. Oh my god!
It says
What-
sus.
What is this?
I don't know.
I was popping random
That's
balls.
a 7. We're moving on to the next.
That's 7.9.
Stretchy. This is good for whipping my grandma.
Do you remember that was showing this?
Yeah, I don't have a grandma.
What?
There's another one, I'm pretty sure. There's another one.
Okay, I will have the green because it's my favorite color.
There, damn it.
Oh my god!
I'm dying. I'm dying.
And unsubscribe from Helen.
No.
Yes, unsubscribe. Listen to the guy you're watching, which is me. Put your mouth on. Oh, actually, I'm already subscribed, aren't I?
Yeah.
I forgot.
Yeah,
Okay,
subscribe.
subscribe! Oh, guys, subscribe, bro. I forgot. 9,000. It's not Helen, it's Helen 9,000. What did you do?
I just called you a
What? You just called me a girl god. It's like a whip, look. Stop, can you stop hitting me? I'll hit you
Right.
soon.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. I give this a 9.9.
Next. These rings.
Oh yes, I love these. Okay,
I hate them.
guys. Look at that, and you can also...
Right. I'm rating this a 6.
I'm rating it 6.9.
What is wrong with
Oh,
you?
no.
And now, peas.
Guys! I need to show them what they do.
Well, more peas, I guess.
Alright, so they get a little face. Look, face. It's really cool. And all of them are different faces. Like this one's different.
These ones won't pop up.
Oh, this one doesn't even have face. I think only one of them has a face. Let me try. Here they go. Oh, look how cute this one is. It's so cute. Okay, next.
And that's a 9.6.
Cause how cute they were, 9.6. Cause how cute. And now this one. It's so fun to play with. Watch. So guys, you have it. You unfold these two. Stop, we're doing this one. And you unfold it like this and do this. It's just an infinite loop.
It's just an infinite loop of the same thing. It will get pretty boring.
It's so, no, I've wanted to do it for hours straight, man.
So,
This, I did it, 8.7. 8.73.
5.
I'll give it an 8.73.
5.
The 7.3 part is very important. 8.73.
5.
What do you mean?
Next!
Let me see. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, I love these.
It's a squeegee ball.
So guys, isn't this so long? And also, you see the marble inside. You can like move it about.
You are a marble.
What did you say, Nia?
You're a marble.
Okay, I give this a
Spooderman.
8.5.
I'm Spooderman.
Yeah, an 8.5.
I give this a Spooderman, aka.
What? Okay, guys, this is a homemade one. It isn't as good.
Daddy ball. Daddy.
I'll give this one a 7.
1.
It's still fun. Now, oh, I love these.
Did you say I love these?
Oh my god. These aren't even fidgets, they're just fur balls, so I love them. Fur balls! Oh my god! Oh, damn! We have loads left.
Where's this guy?
Oh, no, we're doing this one, we're doing this one!
Okay.
Okay, guys, sorry about the angles. I dropped the camera. Guys, look at my new drip. Let me get more of them. Guys, I'm gonna become rich.
What happened if richer person?
What?
Look at this.
What
Stretchy bombs. Stretchy head.
Come in. Oh my god. Let's do. Guys. I'm in the bathroom looking at me. Give me some time to think. I'm in the bathroom looking at me.
What the hell do you mean?
What's this song?
What
Bones
the
from
hell
Believer.
do you mean?
Guys, go subscribe to Believer because that song is very good.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
And also go subscribe to Jen Murray.
Yeah, my mind's
What's one of my friends made? They've uploaded no videos. I don't care. Because they don't actually know they have a YouTube channel. They just do. I used to didn't. I just one day figured out that I did.
Yeah, we've gone through all the figures.
No, you haven't. Wait, what are we going to rate these?
1.
No, just do this to your finger, like move it up and down. Feels so nice.
Yeah, take that back 10.
Yeah, 10. Okay, no, this one, no. Okay, put it up. And look at this one. You like twist it around.
I've seen
It's so weird, but it's just so fun to play with. I'll give it a 8.1.
6.9. Why are you looking at me?
I don't know.
Well, that's the end of the video.
No.
Yes, we've been through all the things.
No. Where's the Squidgy Man? We never actually rated him, did we?
Yeah, I rated him as a...
But can you put your mask on?
Yeah. I rate this dude a 6/10. Like 10. I just rate this a 10. It's just so fun to play with. It's the best thing in the world.
Guys, this guy got some long arms. This guy can be a firefighter. He can be cute on the roof.
No, you pull the arms, I pull the legs.
No, I pull the head.
Okay.
He got a long neck. No, do this in front of the camera. Do it in front of the camera. Guys. Pull the arm! Ah! It's gonna break.
Wow.
Oh! I give this a
10.
9.9.
I'm giving it a 10.
I'm giving it a 9.9.
Right, that's the end of the video. Squidgy Man!